Okay, it's December 31st, about 10:30 my time. Let's take a look at some BTC levels and see how things might play out throughout the day today. It's been a little while since I've uploaded a video to YouTube as well, so I will do that. But here we are. We're currently looking at FTX, BTC US dollar FTX. This morning we came up into, obviously we came up, we came below support, and we're unable to reclaim that, and we have since sold back down. And we're currently sitting at a place that I had marked earlier. Got a value area low here. We got the bottom of the day's 24-hour range that we're sitting at. So for the short term, could see some support here. Although I have marked this this part here as kind of just like as a poor low. A poor low would be something that it's attempted it many times, but we don't have like a big, we don't have like a clean profile, one that extends down. So like an example might be like this profile here extends down further. This is a pretty flat. It's pretty flat, right? And those tend to be revisited and taken out. So I'm not personally buying this support. I do think that we will take out this poor low, give this volume profile more of an extension down lower. And so I do have some shorts on, thankfully, some short positions on as I shorted into this resistance here, and worked out fairly good. Short a few junk coins, ZIL, IOTA, KSM, Theta, and BTC. So hopefully I can add to that. But basically what I'm looking at for today, I do think we will take out this poor low here. We may shop around sideways around this spot here, but I've mentioned it in one of the videos that I did a long time ago. I do think, unfortunately, that BTC will at some point visit 43,000, which will be a revisit of what we call this very low volume section, right? So this bar came all the way down to 42,000 before bouncing. I do think we'll see a revisit of this very low volume section before deciding if it's going to go higher or lower. So a target, a longer term target, it might do it in a day or two, but it could be the low 43,000s. Maybe today we come down, we take out this poor low, we kind of chop around. We could even revisit this 47,000 before making our way down lower. I can definitely see something like that playing out throughout today. And this maybe this plays out maybe by the time we get a new daily bar. Maybe we're sitting around here, we're still in this zone. By the time we get a new daily bar, before deciding if it wants to take value lower. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for BTC, and obviously everything is pretty much going to follow BTC. But I do think we will take out this poor low, maybe bounce around, and slightly longer term, maybe it could be 2 or 3 or 4 days, or it could be sooner. We do find our way towards the 43,000 potentially. So that is BTC. I'll quickly click over to BSV. I don't know that there's much to talk about there because it is very similar. Obviously it's coming down with BTC, so any type of buying of BSV would have to be lined up with a support level of BTC. Again, I say unfortunately because I like BSV. I think it has a good potential, but it pretty much follows BTC down, and it will do so until it decides it's not going to. So yeah, nothing to talk about there. So BTC, that's what I'm looking at for today. Kind of look for this 47,100 on FTX to kind of be a pivot point, at least for now. So we're currently below it. But yeah, that's it.